use the PayEye system, you need to create an account. It is very easy and comes down to 5 simple steps. 1. You download the app to your mobile phone. 2. You enter your personal data. 3. You enter your data verification code. 4. Take a selfie, which will become your unique ID pattern. How do you do this? On your phone. Align your face to the frame. 5. You set a PIN. And that is all. Now your account is active. As soon as you add your payment card, you can start making transactions with PayEye. Making payments and confirming transactions with just a look is the most important function of the PayEye system. This is made possible thanks to a specially designed iPOS terminal, which supports transactions in the PayEye system and beyond, for instance, card payments. Our iPOS terminal is the first multifunctional and portable terminal fitted with both biometric and card payment modules, which supports all forms of payment available on the market. Now, I will show you how easy it is to pay. At your first transaction, you need to look at the terminal and then enter your phone number, but just this once. After that, you can make all further payments in the PayEye system with just one look.